In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Excel, 5 minutes. We'll walk through 3 practical ways to connect the two: exporting a board to Excel, importing an Excel file into Monday.com, and for ongoing syncs, using an automation tool to keep both up to date. First, sign into your Monday.com account. Make sure you have access to the workspace and board you want to work with, since export and import options can depend on your permissions. Open the board you're targeting. In the top right area of the board, click the 3-dot menu, sometimes called the ellipsis. From there, head to More Actions and choose Export Board to Excel. Monday.com will generate a spreadsheet version of your board and download it as an Excel file. This is great for reporting, sharing snapshots, or building pivot tables. Keep in mind that this export is a one-time snapshot, not a live connection. After it downloads, open it in Excel and double check that dates, numbers, and status columns look correct. If you use subitems or mirrored columns, note that some of those structures may flatten during export. If you're moving data into Monday.com from Excel, start by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner of Monday.com to access your account menu. Select Import Data, then choose Excel. Upload your spreadsheet and follow the mapping steps. You'll be prompted to match your Excel headers to Monday.com columns such as item name, status, people, date, numbers, and text. Before you upload, tidy your spreadsheet. Make sure you have a single header row, remove blank top rows, unmerge any cells, and format dates consistently so Monday.com recognizes them. During mapping, review each field type carefully. For example, map a status column to a status column, not a text field, so you can use Monday's automations and views later. When you confirm, Monday.com will create or update items on the chosen board based on your mapping. For ongoing automatic updates, connect Monday.com and Microsoft Excel using an automation platform like Zapier. Set up a workflow where the trigger is an item created or updated in Monday.com and the action is updating a row in Excel. Use a unique identifier, such as an item ID or a dedicated key column, to ensure the correct row is updated. Test your workflow with a sample item, confirm the right sheet and table are selected in Excel, and watch for rate limits or locked files that can block updates. That's it. Export for snapshots, import to build or refresh boards, and use automation to keep everything in sync.